Want to create this fiery burn transition in After Effects? Let's jump in. To start, I have 3 logos lined up here. You can use any image, logo, or graphic you want for this transition. Once your files are ready, here's the magic. Head over to Effects and Presets and search for CC Burn Film. Drag it onto the first logo. Let's animate it. Move your playhead to the first frame, then click the stopwatch next to burn. Now, slide your playhead a few frames forward and crank up the burn value to 100. Watch as it dissolves beautifully into the second image. Now, let's repeat the process for the second logo. Apply CC Burn Film, click the stopwatch for burn, move forward a few frames, and set the burn value to 100 again. This reveals the final image seamlessly. Hit play to preview the transition, and there you have it, a perfect burn transition, done in minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Ace Designs for more creative content.